You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that's originally from Italian and how to say it in English as well. This is, of course, Italian for basil, or is it pronounced basil? Well, I've got a video for this, stay tuned. Basilico is the Italian pronunciation, by the way. If you want to learn more names from Italian cuisine, stay tuned. You make pesto out of it. Basilico in Italian, basilico, Italian pronunciation. English pronunciation is as basilico, basilico. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.